I talk about gratitude an awful lot in my books, and this is absolutely my favorite thing to do with kids. This is a great mindful craft. You could do it for a birthday party. You could do it with your own child. Make a gratitude journal. All you have to do is really fold some paper, tie it up, put some hole punches in it, and you've got a really special place for them to put gratitude in. If they can't write yet, they can actually draw pictures in it, and then you can write the words. You can ask them, what are you grateful for today? They can draw a picture of their dog, and you could say, we're grateful for our beautiful dog, or whatever it is. Don't even get me started on gratitude. It is the key to joy in their lives. It is a habit like brushing your teeth or anything else that you do every day. Be grateful, make a really fun journal. Years and years to come, they'll be able to share and look back on it and have really fond memories.